this is going to be a video tutorial on how to find all of the posts that you have liked. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I've got the Instagram app opened up on my phone here. To find all of the posts that you have liked, the first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on your activity. Then you want to go down and tap on interactions. It says review and delete likes, comments, and other interactions. You want to tap on interactions. And then from here you could view the comments that you have made. You can view the posts that you have liked, and you can view your story replies. To view your the posts that you have liked, you just tap on likes, and it will show you all of the posts that you have hit the like button on. That is how you find your likes on the Instagram app. Thanks for watching.